Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can pay with Revolut virtual card. So to get it started, it's really simple to go ahead and use your Revolut virtual card. To pay with a Revolut virtual card, you need access to your card details within the Revolut application. And from there, you then want to enter the details from your card when checking out or making a purchase on any online websites out there. Alternatively, you can link your multi-use virtual card to Apple Pay or Google Pay for contactless payments in store. So just an example, let's go ahead and navigate through the Adidas store right here. And basically inside, I'm going to simply purchase this specific product, for example. And now I'm going to go ahead and log in my account. And basically from there, inside the payment section, you can just click on the checkout button. And from here, you then want to go ahead and enter your Revolut virtual card details. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.